get all the rain out of the way this week so that it'll be clear on Monday for the eclipse.
Nice blue skies, so we don't have anything covering our view, especially if we're traveling to totality. Any luck, George?
Well, some areas are going to see some clearing and some will see some clouds. Let's get right to the eclipse map. We'll show you that the areas yesterday that were a little bit clearer to the south are going to have some high clouds across Texas on up into portions of Arkansas. It was going to be mostly clear there. The clouds are coming in a little bit earlier, but clear skies is from southeastern Missouri all the way up into portions of Illinois and Indianapolis area. But once you get to Cleveland, you start to run into some clouds. You notice here in Grand Rapids, our conditions will be improving. The rain that was going to come through during the day on Monday may actually come in on Sunday night. But it continues to rain out here on the weather deck. That's why the 13 weather ball is blinking bright. It's also green, so no change to the chilly temperatures foreseen.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
We're looking at lots of clouds, lots of rain across the area. We've had some breaks in the rain, but mainly rain all day long, and cool temperatures to the north, only in the mid and upper 30s. Very chilly rain today. To the south, it's in the upper 40s to even 54 in Benton Harbor. We're going to see a frontal system kind of work its way up from the south, but definitely a colder day today by about 5 to 10 degrees. We've got a break in the rain for the moment, but here is the back edge of the rain as we talk right now. That is moving out over Lake Michigan to the south. A lot of active weather is expected. A number of tornado watches from around the Cincinnati area all the way down to the south, where there is a moderate or 4 out of 5 risk for severe weather. Also a lot of wintry weather. There's actually a blizzard warning up around the Marquette area because of the wind and the snow. That is not going to be affecting us. There's also a lot of wind, especially on the back side of that low as it strengthens and hangs out overhead here tonight. And then lots of flooding off to the south and east. Here's the models tonight showing scattered rain showers, not raining all night long, and then a few snowflakes may mix in during the afternoon and evening tomorrow as that low just kind of hangs on out. And then finally we start to see that wind down during the day on Thursday. Friday, we may start out with a little bit of sunshine, but we've got some clouds that'll build up in the afternoon, so we'll call it a mostly cloudy day. But right now, looking great for Saturday, great for Sunday as well. As I mentioned, this area of rain that was expected to come through Monday is now coming through Sunday night. And look at this, clearing out just in time for the eclipse viewing here in West Michigan. We're going to see some rain with this as well, maybe another ½ an inch. The long range outlook after the eclipse from the 8th through the 12th says we have high chances for warmer than average readings with the average highs in the mid 50s, and still a higher chance that we'll see more precipitation during that 5-day period. So warm and occasionally wet. Here in West Michigan, it'll just be breezy overnight with temperatures staying above freezing in the mid 30s. That east wind will continue to have wind gusts for a while to 30 miles an hour. Another cold night up north, mid 30s with breezy conditions, especially this evening with that east wind. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows right around 35 to 36. 13 on your side forecast. Rain and a few snowflakes mixing in on your Wednesday, still breezy. And then they'll start to wind down a little bit on Thursday. The rain particularly ends Thursday night. Partly to mostly cloudy skies on Friday. We'll finally get to our average high by Saturday with lots of sunshine. There's that rain that was going to be on Monday is now moved to Sunday night. Sunshine and 60 for the eclipse here in West Michigan, 67 Tuesday. And then toward the middle to latter part of next week, we'll see some more rain leading up to the weekend.
Certainly have those April rains today. Poor George is outside in the umbrella tonight.
But all I was thinking yesterday was those April showers bring
May flowers.
I love it.
Although a lot of my flowers are up already.
Some of them, yeah.
So I don't know. Yeah, it was that warm March and February that did it.
Yes.
Not a great day to be out of doors, of course. A lot of wind-whipped rain, and we'll even add a few snowflakes to the mix here next couple of days. 13 weather ball is blinking bright, mainly rain overnight. It's also green. No change to the 40s foreseen.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And as far as the weather for the dog walking family, we're looking at rain on and off all the way up through about 9 or 10 o'clock, giving you the yellow paw for that. And in the morning for Buddy, Duke, and Coda, Yeah, I got a couple of snowflakes mixed in. It'll be in the 40s overnight, though, and then dropping into the 30s. We will see very little sunshine here next to several days, maybe 3.2 out of a 10-point scale compared to almost 0 today. Winds will still be a bit breezy tomorrow, not as breezy as they were during the day today. We've had scattered showers throughout the day, rain overnight. It was a little bit of a break, and now we're just seeing scattered showers. The actual front is right in through here, and once that moves on through, we're going to see our temperatures start to fall again after going up here this evening. The actual parent storm is right there near Chicago, and that's going to stick around over West Michigan for about another 2 days. Just going to kind of hang out before it finally moves to the east. All of this blue is going to stay away from us. That is snow over much of Wisconsin and in the UP, where there's a blizzard warning right now for the Marquette area. We're just going to see scattered rain showers, a couple of wet snowflakes mixing in. Thursday will be the best chance for those snowflakes, but no accumulation is expected other than just a few flakes. And then on Friday, we'll see a little bit of sunshine to start our day, but there'll be a lot of clouds around. We'll call it a mostly cloudy, but at least it'll be dry. Saturday looking great, lots of sunshine. Sunday looking pretty good as well. It looks like those rain showers that we had in the forecast for Monday are actually going to come in on Sunday night, and they're going to leave by the time the eclipse happens right around 3 o'clock on Monday. Of course, we're still a ways out. We'll see if that does hold. Longer range outlook from the 10th through the 16th. That's the middle of the month. High chances that we will see those warmer than average temperatures return, highs in the mid and upper 50s at that time, and we'll also see a higher chance for more precipitation during that 7-day period. Forecast then for tonight, look for breezy conditions with rain showers, temperatures bottoming out in the mid 30s. Mid 30s is north as well. East winds will calm down a little bit, but that won't be until late tonight. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll drop down to around 35 to 36. 13 on your side forecast. Steadily warming temperatures, but mainly after the sun comes out later on Saturday. Over the weekend, we'll climb to 59 with those overnight showers on Sunday, which means Monday going to turn out to be sunny and 60. 67 Tuesday and 66 Wednesday. And then we'll cool off again into the 50s with some late in the week rain.
Well, George, for those who stayed here for spring break, they probably had a good day to go to the museum or Meyer Gardens, because it's not very pleasant out there right now.
It is not outside activity day. Definitely not, Juliet. I'm glad you're warm and dry there in the studio.
Me too.
It's a little wet and windy again out on the weather deck. Is this going to change anytime soon? Well, not really. 13 weather balls still blinking bright. We'll have some rain and maybe even throw in a couple of snowflakes in sight. It is also green, so no change to the 40s foreseen.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And highs today are, in some cases, the current readings. We're up to 45 here in Grand Rapids, 50 in Kalamazoo. Temperatures will go up a few more degrees before a cold front goes through here in the next several hours. We did forecast 48, so we might get close to that. But right now, we're just within our target range, back on track one day in a row. So far, we have seen quite a bit of rain. Most of it has been to the north and west of Grand Rapids. About a half an inch there in Muskegon, almost 2/3 up in Ludington. We've had about 0.12 of an inch, just been persistent throughout the day today. You can see where that front is right now. It is right in through here. And once that moves on through, I think our temperatures will have peaked for the day as winds turn around to the south. They've been out of the east most of the day. There's the low pressure system right over central Lake Michigan. So for a while this evening, we'll see our rain come to an end. But it'll be back with us here tomorrow, on and off, not an all-day rain, and there might be a couple of wet snowflakes mixed in. It will start to wind down a little bit Wednesday night into Thursday morning, but still kind of a damp day Thursday. Again, a couple of snowflakes mixed in. We're not seeing any accumulating snow here in West Michigan. Now on Friday, we may start with some sunshine, but a lot of clouds will be developing, so we'll go for just a mostly cloudy day, especially around the middle part of the day Friday. But thank goodness it'll be dry. It'll also be dry on Saturday. A few midday clouds. We'll call it mostly sunny. And on Sunday, lots of sunshine as well until the end of the day. Those rain showers we talked about yesterday, perhaps affecting the eclipse on Monday, those rain showers are actually going to come in a little bit earlier, so Sunday night, and leaving Monday morning. So right around 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday, looking good to see that 94% solar eclipse here in West Michigan. Rainfall, a lot of it has already fallen, but we might see another 1/3 of an inch through the day tomorrow. As far as the rest of the time, we may see another 1/10 of an inch on Thursday, and then we'll wait until Sunday night for our next round. That'll be another 1/4 of an inch across the West Michigan area, and then that will be it until later on next week. Forecast for tomorrow will go mainly rain. It'll be a breezy day as well, but in this time, the winds will be out of the south, but the cold air is going to be wrapping around, so our high temperatures will actually be in some areas a degree or two cooler than today, especially down in the South Haven area, 39. Low 40s north, that's not too far away from where you are right now, but a south wind, breezy conditions at 15 to 20 miles an hour, with mainly rain showers, maybe a couple of snowflakes mixed in. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area, with that cold air wrapping around, it'll be cooler in Kalamazoo than it will be in Ionia tomorrow. 13 on your side forecast. Staying in the 40s through Friday with lots of sunshine returning Saturday with a high of 53. That may be our first near average day in the past several. 59 on Sunday before the rain moves in by night, but it'll all be over by the time eclipse rolls through right now. 60 on Monday, 67 on Tuesday, 66 Wednesday, lots of sunshine there, well above average, and then back into the 50s, but upper 50s next Thursday and Friday with some late in the week rainfall. So even though it's only been raining a day or two, I'm already tired of it.
And Monday looks so good. We have to keep our fingers crossed.
It has been improving. That's great.
Thank you, George.